what's up? I'm Nandini and today we bring you a special report from Orientation 2025 of Chandigarh University, where the campus was filled with excitement that marked the new journey for the students. From formal addresses to the administration, department-wise induction and hostel tours, we captured it all for you. Let's begin and how the orientation opened and what made the welcome week truly unforgettable.
The orientation is not just a welcome. It's the start of an experience that will change your life. Students from all over India and more than 63 countries gather to discover the campus, get to know their mentors, and enter a dynamic academic and cultural landscape. As the gates of Chandigarh University opens for the welcome week, excitement fills the air, making it more than just a beginning. From exploring the vibrant campus to meeting mentors and future friends, it's a launchpad for dreams in the making.
Currently, I am standing near A3 block, right where the orientation ground begins. Behind me, you can see students and parents making their way towards the orientation ground. In the main pandal, the seats are filled up and the faculty members are welcoming students with a warm heart. This marks the beginning of a new life for new students and a new academic session in Chandigarh University. Let's go inside the pandal and see what's happening there.
At the very first stop of every new student's journey stands the registration desk, which is more than just a table with forms and files. It's where nervous faces turn into excited smiles and strangers become part of the CU family. Here, helping hands guide at every step from providing course schedule to welcome kids, marking a student's first step in the university. It's not just about paperwork. It's about making sure every student feels seen, supported, and ready to begin something extraordinary.
My name is Khushi. I've come from Haryana, a place full of riches. Today is my first day. I'm a fresher here, but I love the surroundings, the vibes, the energy is full on. And I've enrolled in MBA program and I'm really excited to start my new journey.
My name is Riyaz Singh Chauhan. I'm from Jharkhand. Now I am currently pursuing Masters in Chandigarh University. As we know that it is one of the #1 university in the India, and infrastructure are so attractive. There are lots of exposure here.
With all the fun and excitement, the real journey begins. As part of the orientation program, a dedicated pandal is set up to host formal sessions featuring distinguished guests and university officials. Students are seen seated in an organized manner, attentively listening to keynote addresses, motivational talks, and informative presentations.
Right now I'm standing at the pandal where the auditorium is filled with excited students and their equally excited parents. It's a significant day filled with anticipation, guidance, and the first official glimpse into campus life. Orientations like this set a tone for what's ahead. It's filled with new beginnings, and today is all about that, where young minds walk in with lots of questions and walk out with many purposes, stepping into a brand new aspect of their lives.
Throughout the orientation week, students interacted with senior university leaders and industry professionals. Sessions led by Professor Dr. Manpreet Singh Manna, the Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Raghuveer VR, Pro Vice Chancellor Academic Affairs, and Professor Dr. R.S. Bawa, Advisor to the Honorable Chancellor, offered insights into academics, values, and global exposure. Mr. Navjot Miglani, Executive Director, Human Resource, addressed the students on world-class research. Brigadier Dr. Gagandeep Singh Bath, Executive Director of Student Affairs, focused on student discipline and support systems, while Mr. Pradeep Bansal, Executive Director, Department of Career Planning and Development, addressed placements and career planning. Guest speakers like Mr. Manish Kohli from VP and Global Business, Ms. Misha Bisht from Jackson Group, Mr. Sarosh Kumar from Cognizant Technology Solutions India Private Limited, and Mr. Abhinav Dubey, the founder of Chai Sutta Bar, added real-world perspectives, making the session both informative and inspiring. Alumni from different streams engaged in peer talk session with the freshmen, motivating and guiding them as they embark on this journey.
My name is Sarabjit Kaur and I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. I have enrolled in MBA course at Chandigarh University, and I really like how they were mentoring and guiding us in the event, and it was a wonderful experience for all the students. It really helped us and it was a brief introduction. It was a really nice introduction about the university for all the students. They're guiding us and mentoring us about the classes, and they're also telling us about the placements and about the things that the students have achieved, like our previous batches have achieved. So it is really helping us and inspiring us.
My name is Anshika. I am from Jalandhar, Punjab. I currently joined MBA in Chandigarh University. अभी हम अंदर ओरिएंटेशन अटेंड करके आ रहे हैं और हमें काफ़ी चीज़ों के बारे में पता लगा है, लाइक काफ़ी कोर्सेज़ के बारे में बताया है, जो चीज़ें हमें नहीं पता थी, काफ़ी मतलब इन्फॉर्मेटिव था और काफ़ी मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं सर हमें कि आगे जाके अपने करियर में कैसे करनी है। इंटर्नशिप के बारे में बता रहे हैं, तो काफ़ी चीज़ों के बारे में आज नया पता लगा है, काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली हैं। आई एम गुरलीन और आई एम फ्रॉम जलंधर पंजाब और आई करंटली ज्वाइन द MBA इन चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी। सबसे पहले तो उन्होंने सेटअप बहुत अच्छा किया है कि जिससे जो न्यू स्टूडेंट्स आए हैं उनको मतलब देख के अच्छा लग रहा है कि यूनिवर्सिटी वालों ने मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा किया है। और अंदर फिर जो मतलब यहाँ से पढ़कर गए हैं उनको यहाँ ले मतलब वो लोग आए हैं और उन्होंने मतलब सभी चीज़ों के बारे में बताया कि हमने क्या क्या किया है और हम किस पोजीशन पर खड़े हैं, तो इसलिए मतलब प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब उन्होंने सब बताया है। स्पोर्ट्स के लिए अच्छा है और ये सारा कुछ हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमारा पहले इम्प्रेशन बहुत अच्छा मतलब यहाँ पर पड़ा है।
My name is Jiva Ahil. I'm from Jammu. I have enrolled in the MBA department. I just want to tell about the orientation that's going on inside. Orientation काफ़ी अच्छी थी, industrial teams आई थी, उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे से हमें समझाया कि कैसे है कैसे नहीं है, about the placements. We get to know our alumni also.
Hi, my name is Anjali. Actually, this is the second day I'm in Chandigarh University. I'm belonging to Shivalik Hostel. The thing is that we are really having good seniors that we are literally guiding us forever.
My name is Neha and I am from Ludhiana and I have opted for MBA here.
So inside the orientation, it was a great experience. Like there were alumni who were sharing their experience, and there were people from fourth year who shared their experience about the university, that how the university courses have helped them to grab really good internships and placements, and it was a great experience.
My name is Sagar. I am from Haryana. I am a student at Chandigarh University in the department of BE CSC, AI and ML. I have enrolled in Chandigarh University through CUCAT and I got 40% scholarship here. Overall orientation was good. I got to know all about the alumni and our seniors. We got to know our seniors and all the other departments.
Right now, I'm at the auditorium in the academic block D1, where the second half of the orientation is began to happen shortly. This orientation will be addressed by the executive director and the senior leadership of the universities. The freshers will be having the opportunity to interact with the prominent alumni through a dedicated question-answer session round. This orientation will cover all the university key highlights and the departmental overviews, and especially what the freshers are going to expect from this university in upcoming year. The orientation will be having their final remarks with the group photographs with the seniors. Now let's come inside and we will see what is happening in the orientation.
The University Institute of Engineering at Chandigarh University holds its induction for the freshmen following the main orientation. The director of the department, Professor Vikas Vasan, addressed the batch, introducing them to the course structure, academic expectations, and hands-on learning approach. This session helps students to understand their academic path and prepares them for journey ahead.
My name is Simrandeep Kaur. I have taken admission in Chandigarh University in Bachelor's of Engineering, CSC, in specialization AI and ML with the collaboration with IBM. So I'm very glad to spend time here in the university and especially attending my orientation session, and it's very interactive. We interacted with our faculty members and our new classmates, so it was a very good opportunity to visit here.
My name is Rishti and I have applied for BE Computer Science in specialization with AIML, and I'm super excited to start my journey here in this prestigious university. Hi, I'm Rishika.
Hi, I'm Karan.
We have enrolled ourselves for BTech CSC in AI and ML, and I'm very excited for my journey.
And I am loving the university.
My name is Janvi Sharma and I've enrolled in MBA in FinTech program. I am coming from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Chandigarh is literally a new city. MBA is something that I always wanted to do. About the course, I'm really very excited because I am personally into digital marketing and owning my own brand. But fintech is something that I really want to learn. So yeah, new journey, new life, and all excited.
Right now I'm standing in front of Journalism and Mass Communication registration desk. As you can see behind me, students are registering themselves for the respective course. They are not just signing up any form, they are signing up for their bright future. This is the first step they are taking to become the news anchors and news journalists. From newsroom to camera lens, this is where the journey begins.
My name is Vineet Gaur and this is my first year in BAJMC, and so far the orientation has been pretty great. The staff seems really helpful and the teachers are really friendly. Also the campus is like pretty awesome, the architecture is great as well, and I'm having a great time.
My name is Tatenda Natwangilele Tazavari and I'm from Zambia and I'll be studying mass communication at Chandigarh University. I'm so excited to study away from my country because it brings a wide range of education, and Chandigarh University is a very good university.
And I am Ruma Bhatt. I have taken journalism and mass communication as my course. Well, I'm very excited to start my new journey here. I feel that atmosphere is very nice, and I feel like whatever I read, whenever I need the right guidance, I will receive it from the UIMS.
यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत वधिया लगी कि सारे हेल्प नेचर दे सारे रजिस्ट्रेशन करने च वगैरह च बहुत मदद की साडी।
हाय, मैं अनुष्का शर्मा हूँ और मैं झारखंड से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे BJMC कोर्स करने आई हूँ और मैंने चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में काफ़ी रिसर्च करा था। चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में अपना खुद का न्यूज़ स्टेशन, न्यूज़ बुलेटिन है और जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा है और मुझे एंकर भी बनना है, तो मेरे कैरियर के लिए काफ़ी बेस्ट है।
This is Aradhya Sharma and I am the student of first year and I'm gonna pursue my bachelor's in BJMC. Till now, if I talk about the infrastructure and the university, it all has been great. We are having orientations in everything, which has been like a great experience for me. The faculty has been really great.
The University Institute of Media Studies at Chandigarh University conducted its orientation program for newly admitted students of both undergraduate and postgraduate journalism and mass communication courses on 29 July 2025. The registration desks managed by UIMS staff and volunteers played a key role in streamlining the induction process. Here, students completed documentation, collected ID cards, received academic schedules, and were guided to their respective induction venues.
Right now, I am inside the Block A2 of Chandigarh University, where the induction of Bachelor's and Masters of Journalism and Mass Communication is taking place. Executive Director of Liberal Arts, Additional Director and HOD with other faculty members of University Institute of Media Studies talking to the students about their courses and campus life.
To give them a clear picture of what lies ahead, an induction program has been designed in Block A2 to introduce freshmen to the academic framework, curriculum structure, departmental facilities and professional opportunities within the field of mass media and communications. Director, HOD along with the faculty members address the students outlining expectations, industry trends and the skill sets essential for success in both journalism and digital media landscapes. Mr. Chandan Sanwal, TCB and Unurshala unpacked the strategic layers of digital media and marketing. Ms. Neha Sharma from PTI offered a grounded perspective on professional journalism, sharing real-world insights from the newsroom. It's a valuable first step in building confidence and clarity as they move forward with purpose and passion.
Myself Chirayu Nagpal. I am a student of BECSC AI and ML. I hail from the beautiful city of Namashahar and it's my second day at Chandigarh University. So I got 40% scholarship via CUCET and I'm so excited and thrilled to start my journey over here. Talking about the infrastructure, I think it's mind-boggling. It's so amazing. Talking about the peers, incredible. And today only I attended my very first lectures and I'm so impressed by the teachers. They are so much hardworking, they are so kind and they are available for us to get at each and every single.
My name is Nikhil Chauhan. I am enrolled for VBA Digital Marketing. Talking about my experience about the orientation program at Chandigarh University. So एक ही बात कहूँगा कि ये best है, one of the best orientation I have attended like in my lifetime. बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे जो मेंटर्स वगैरह हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं एंड उनसे जो सीखने के लिए मिलता है वो शायद ही किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी में मिले या आप कह सकते हो ना भी मिले, बिकॉज यहाँ पे टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, सीनियर्स सारे हमसे फ्रैंक रहते हैं एंड जो हमें हेल्प चाहिए वो करते हैं. वो डिपेंड नहीं करता आपका डिपार्टमेंट कौन सा है, आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है या आपका कल्चर कौन सा है.
Currently, I'm at the center of all the excitement where the orientation program is being held. But the orientation doesn't stop here. Let's go have a sneak peek around the hostels and what's happening there, because that's where campus meet comforts. So let's go and have a sneak peek.
This is where their new phase begins. This is the place where they have to unlearn something to learn the rules of life.
This is day 1 of orientation and I am here at Sukha Girls Hostel, seeing the new enthusiasm and the zeal of the students as they start their new hostel life. Parents are dropping their kids at the hostel with mixed emotions. I am here to catch their feelings and what they think about their hostel and what the infrastructure is about. So let's dive into it.
Smiles, nerves, goodbyes, and first hellos. For many students, it marks their first experience away from home. A transition both exciting and emotional. Sukna ensures that this shift is smooth and reassuring. With well-maintained rooms, dedicated staffs, and secure environment, the hostel fosters not only safety but also a strong sense of community. From every corner of the world, students step in with dreams, ready to call this place home.
Exciting news coming from the heart of the city, the campus of Chandigarh University, emerging with energy and colors as the Fresh Gen orientation kicks off. So let's have a look what's going inside.
Special talents including the Firdaus Band, Faridkot Band, Divya Kumar, Simar Kaur and others added more sparkle to these events by making the experience truly unforgettable. These joyful evenings are a perfect way for students to unwind, connect and create lasting memories as they step into this new phase of life. These events provide a platform for students to unwind, interact and experience the university's dynamic cultural environment. The objective is to promote social bonding, celebrate artistic expressions, and create a memorable beginning to every student's journey at CU. This is not just a beginning of new academic journey, but it's the start of discovering the future goals and holistic development. It continues to shape the future-ready professionals across diverse disciplines. At Chandigarh University, you're not just a student. You are a dreamer with compassion and a difference maker. At CU, growth, success and unforgettable memories await. Your story starts here and it's going to be extraordinary. So step forward with courage, curiosity and confidence.
With that, Chandigarh University concludes the Orientation 2025. It wasn't just about sessions and schedules, it was a celebration of a new beginning. We extend our heartfelt welcome to all our freshers and welcome them to be part of this vibrant community. With this, Chandigarh University officially ends its Orientation 2025. With camera person Kesar and Parth, this is Anurag from Global Campus Hub.
Chandigarh University officially wrapped up Orientation 2025, a week filled with excitement, hope and heartfelt welcomes. From academic insights to cultural experiences, the freshers have already taken their first step into the campus life with confidence and joy. For the university, it's not just the beginning of another session, but the start of hundreds of new stories in the making. Orientation 2025 concludes and a new chapter begins for the hundreds of students at Chandigarh University. That's it for today. Keep watching Global Campus Hub.